Okay, we're gonna go down to Travessa da Se, which is directly in this area. So we're just gonna walk up here, check out this kind of Se area, and then before we go, we'll just kind of show you some of the stuff around us. We'll give more detail about that in a minute too, including that as well. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Travessa da Se. So we're gonna be walking up and showing you this kind of mural stuff down here, some of that. Yeah, this is kind of show you some of this other stuff. So if you go all the way down that way, there's the Portuguese embassy, and that one is the Portuguese bookstore, which is closed today on a Sunday. This beautiful area is kind of a nice intersection. So that way is Rua de Palha, and it goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. It also goes to Rua Sao Paulo as well, Rua's street. So that's all that direction, and this one goes to Senado Square. This is Rua de São Domingos, and there's São Domingos Church right there. And just kind of take a look at all this architecture. And in a minute we'll go to Se. Okay. So a nice little space in here. So let's head on down this way. And now we're gonna go up to Travessa da Se and see what we can see up here. These are some kind of restaurants. Some of them are quite popular. This one usually has a big long line. Let's see here. This one has egg tarts. It's quite popular in Macau. Let's see. Another, this is kind of similar. Some more kind of street food such things. And we're gonna keep on walking. Museum right here. I forget the name of this museum, but there's some history in this one. Like the Mandarin House or something. Not Mandarin House, but it's like something like that. Like somebody that was historically a prosperous businessman from China who did quite well financially in Macau under the Portuguese rule back traditionally and historically, made a lot of money, and so it's kind of connected to that. Directly up that way is Travessa da Se, but we have this quite beautiful murals like this one. So this is kind of like old Portuguese village, right? There's another one too here. So I think this one is what's now maybe Namban Lake, I think. I think that's Peña Hill. So it's kind of a cool little space there. And then this one we got more down here. So these are all paintings from George Chinnery, watercolor paintings that he created, another on the replicas. You got some more over here too. And George Chinnery was a British guy who did quite well in Macau with watercoloring. Travessa da Se. So his watercolors are here, but he basically inspired. It's beautiful right there too. Boa Mesa, that's a great Portuguese restaurant. But George Chinnery, he inspired many Europeans to, that was their first images because there was no cameras at that time. So when people did artwork, they could show exactly what something somewhere looked like. So George Chinnery, he basically showed Europeans what China looked like through the eyes of Macau, through the Portuguese colony of Macau. And I think that was probably before Hong Kong as well. And this right here is, what is it called? It's like something Se. So this is like a little, there's our back alley right there, and then there's our Travessa da Se. And then you got Se Church over here too. Easy to see. Kind of in this area right there. So yeah, big cross right there. This is usually filled with people, almost always. That kind of nice one too. Largo da Se. So this is Largo da Se, and this is Travessa da Se. And right there's the street signs right there. Travessa da Se, Largo da Se. So that's the one that we just went down, straight down that way. Then it comes up to this one. This is Largo da Se. And it looks like that's Se Cathedral right there, but it's under construction. Let's see if we can walk down. Also something Se as well. So, okay. So that's our Se area. And I guess what we'll do is just end it right there. So that's Travessa da Se, Largo da Se. That's a Se church. And that's the street that we were just on.